Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and today I'm going to do a makeup look with the Momager palette. Now this is from Kylie Cosmetics. This came out actually last Mother's Day. My daughter gave it to me. Thank you very much. And it's available at Ulta. So I'm going to get started. This look, I'm recreating the look that Patrick Starr did on Kris Jenner. And but you should be thanking me that I'm redoing this. He did not explain what he was doing very well at all. So you're welcome. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start with the lips. Now I'm using the MAC Plum. So MAC Plum, I'm just gonna put this on my lips. And oh, I also got, as part of the Momager, the lip glosses, and they are amazing, so amazing. I'm gonna put this, actually I'm gonna put this all over my lips. A lot of times I don't just line my lips. I'm gonna go a little down lower. Okay, and then this color that, okay, so it says Kris Jenner, and I think there are 9 of these. This one is called Really. Okay, the names that she names all her eyeshadows and lipsticks are hilarious. So I'm gonna put Really on my lips. It's like this gloss, but how gorgeous is this color? It's like this like taupe color. I think the light's bad, but yes, please, love this. So there you go, there's the lips. So I'm gonna get right into the palette. So first of all, you open it up and it says, I have one word for tonight, vodka. I wish I didn't relate to that, but I kind of do, I kind of get that. Anyways, so what he did was, the first thing he did was, and he did explain the beginning, but it's like he didn't even explain the end. But anyways, they called it a smoky eye. So he said, I'm gonna go into this color, the first color here in the corner here, it's called I Love Myself. Everyone should love themselves. I kind of get that. So I already primed my lids, and I actually already, I did foundation and eyebrows. So that's it, that's all I did. The rest I'm doing right here. So let's see, I love myself all over the lid, the whole entire lid, under the brow, everything, okay, and in the corners. Okay, now there's 4 matte shades and the rest are shimmer. So that was one of the matte shades. So then secondly, okay, number 2, I have to edit these names. Number 2 is Paybacks a Biache. So that's this color right here, another one of the matte shades. So we're gonna take that, and that goes in the crease, and I'm gonna take my fluffy Morphe M502 brush and put that in the crease. And he did a lot of blending, I'm telling you. They were talking and talking, but one of the things they were talking about, they actually brought up the book, The 5 Love Languages. And so I'll go over what they are. So they are, real quickly, number 1, words of affirmation, 2, gifts, 3, acts of service, and 4, quality time, number 5, physical touch. And Kris said that she was definitely gifts, and I could totally see that. She's always giving gifts to all her people and what have you, and gifts actually is not mine whatsoever. I'm a horrible gift giver, and I don't even care about gifts at all. But guess what I am? Yep, you guessed it. Words of affirmation. That's my big love language. Say something nice to me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love you so much. And then you also put it under the lid as well. So both on top and under right here, just as like a lower liner, okay? So that is the next thing. So then number 3, the name of this one is It's an Emergency, and that is, where is it? Oh, right here. So this color right here, It's an Emergency. That goes in like the outer corner. So it's a little darker shade. So for more like right here. And all up in here. Again, kind of over the crease. Okay, then moving on, number 5, number 4, Vodka Tonic. Vodka Tonic is the shimmer shade. I actually love this one so much. This is the shimmer shade, and that goes in the center of the lid. So Vodka Tonic, center of the lid. But look how amazing this is. It's very pigmented and shiny and shimmery. I love it so much. Now remember, you're always gonna put a shimmer in the center of your lid like that. Okay, yes, please, I love this. Look at that. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit more shimmer right there. Center of the lid and sort of starting at the crease into the center. Okay, then moving on. Number 5 is this one. Does it come in black? That's a question I ask every time I go shopping. Does it come in black? Yes, please. So this is where the one, I'm gonna use this, I love this little brush so much. This is from Urban Decay. I'm gonna use it as a liner, a black liner. And it's the, what is the number of it? E216. So does it come in black? And we're gonna use that as a liner. And again, their look was very smoky, but they didn't really explain how I think they just must use this all over the upper lid too, because it was very smoky, but it looked so good. And again, it's all about the blending and then at the end, the mascara. Love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna do this right on the lid. Same thing like as a liner. It's very pigmented. I love it, perfect. Does it come in black? Love it so much. Okay, there it is, the liner. And then, oh, okay, let me tell you. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you the rest of the colors, so I'm gonna go through it. I Love Myself, haters. This one, 10%, because that's how much she gets. Then up here, it's Gorgeous, and then Vodka Tonic, I'm Watching You, and My Girls, I'm Watching You, yes, I am. Then starting up here, It's an Emergency, love it. Payback's a Biatch. Down here, Talent, and then up here, Very Vice. This is like this burgundy color, I love it. I might add it to today's look. Impressed, and then finally, Does It Come in Black? So, and actually I'm just gonna add it because I love this color so much, and I think burgundies look so good on like hazel and green eyes, and I have hazel eyes. So let me just add this right now. You're gonna love this so much. So I'm gonna add this in the corner here. This is gonna give, now I do have some fallout. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? Some fallout? Okay, be careful. Good thing I have my color corrector. Go ahead and tap that off. Oh my Lord. You know what? Yeah, real pigmented. Let's tap that off before we put that on our eyes. We're tapping, people, we're tapping. Well, this would be a good time then to go into the Tarte Shape Tape Color Corrector. Yes, please, look like I have a black eye. Okay, Tarte Shape Tape, if you don't know about this, this is like, everyone needs this. This is the one that goes under the eyes. It's very, you don't need that much of it, but I'm just gonna do that right now under the eyes. And I'm gonna use my little makeup brush that I love. This will correct anything. Gets rid of the dark circles, gets rid of fallout. So anytime you have fallout, make sure you use Tape Shape from Tarte. Okay, ready? Watch this. Hello, yep. Bye-bye, bye-bye. There goes all the mistakes. You always end with this, and I'm telling you, perfect. There you go, hello, perfect. Just do the other side here, and this will clean up all the fallout from under the eye. Perfect, right there. And then, I haven't been using this lately, I forgot about this, but NYX Cosmetics has this, it fell out, but it's NYX, and it's banana finishing powder. This is from the drugstore. Like, you have to go out and get this today, because on top of your concealer under your eyes, it's a powder and it sets it. Look at this, I love this so much. Okay, yeah, and it just, again, cleans it up. So you put this right on top of your under eye concealer, and it just sets it, sets the powder, sets the concealer. Look at that. Bye-bye dark circles, they're gone, love that. So, okay, and then I'm gonna do my bronzer. You know me and my bronzer, I love it so much. I didn't put my hair back, so I gotta hold it back. But you start back here. Oh, I love it so much. Hoola bronzer. If I could get one thing from Ulta, because I could do my whole look, which I did in my 5-minute video. I could do a whole look just with bronzer. Love it so much. Okay, and then right here. And then we do our 3, famous 3. There's the 3. Oh, and by the way, another hot tip. Oh my gosh, I have so much good things to share with you. Go watch all my other videos. I have so many hot tips. Hoola bronzer, yes, please, isn't just for bronzer. I noticed my grays were looking a little too much. Hello. Put it right there at your hairline. Bye-bye, gray. Love that so much, right? Look at that. You can also use eyeshadow. Yeah, hot tip right there, guys. Okay, by the way, hot tip, and just for your information, the Kardashians are my neighbors. They live like right over the fence over there, and they bought a house here locally, and you know what? I think it's great for them. They need a place to get away from the paparazzi and all that. Absolutely. So happy for them. And then, oh, my eyebrows today. So Kylie Cosmetics, she did a everyday makeup. She updated her everyday makeup, and I watched it this morning, and I did my eyebrows. Don't you think they kind of, yeah. So watch her video, how to do the eyebrows. And then, oh, and then one last little tip. The guy, Rich Wilkerson, he has a YouTube channel. He has VOO Church in Florida, and he married Kim and Kanye, amazing Christian, and his wife, Dawn Scherer, she also has YouTube, and I love her so much. She did the video, I think I talked about it the other day, Hearing God's Voice When Life is Too Loud. I'm gonna link it below. You have to watch this. I love her so much. She's so adorable. And then, okay, and then last but not least, I'm just gonna go through the colors of the lip colors because they're so funny. I love these names so much. So they all say Kris Jenner, and this one is, This Is Everything. Love that. Then moving on, this one, oh, and I'm gonna show them to you as I go. These are really amazing. They're really glossy, high gloss. Okay, so this is like a pink. This lighting is horrible, but this is like a pink. I'll swatch it on my back of my hand. So it's kind of like a rosy mauve pink. Okay, then moving on is That's Wild. So That's Wild. Okay, yeah, hello, that would be good. It's red. Woo, hello, very pigmented red. That would be good for Christmas. And then moving along, oh, let's see, I think I already did this everything. Okay, then, okay, this is a mystery because the color came off. Mystery color, more of like a dark mauve, I would say. Love that. So good, yeah. And then the next one is Boss, matte color, Boss. This, ooh, this is like a bright pink. That's pretty. And then moving along, sorry, there's like 8 of them. Driving Me Crazy. Driving Me Crazy. Ooh, this is pretty though. I like this. It's like a, ooh, okay, this is like a light pink. Okay, I'm gonna put this on right this second. This is like a light glossy pink that I would put like in the center right here. Look at that. Yes, please. Okay, love that so much. Driving Me Crazy. That's a Sammy Hagar song. Your love is driving me crazy. And then, okay, this color is Middle Finger, and don't make me upset, people, to get the middle finger. No, just kidding. Oh, this is like a coral. Gorgeous, very pigmented. Ooh, that would be great for summer. Ooh, I love that actually. And then last but not least is Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed and Velvet. Okay, overwhelmed. Yeah, I am overwhelmed sometimes. Okay, this is like a dark, ooh, that's pretty. That's like a dark, not mauve, but like burgundy. Not burgundy, what is it? A dark plum, that's my word. Dark plum, but look at those. Okay, so those are amazing. Love these so much. So these are, again, the lips are part of the collection, the Momager collection at Ulta. Right now, I just saw them the other day. 10%, ladies and gentlemen. But I hope you found some good information. Watch my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Go buy the Love Languages book. And until next time, love ya. Bye.